Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change where your apps, documents, music, pictures, videos and maps are saved by default in your Windows 10 or 11. So firstly click on start, then here click on settings, then here click on system, now here click on storage. Now scroll down and you will see the option advanced storage settings. Click on it, then here click on where new content is saved. So here you will see options like apps, documents, music, photos and videos, and offline maps. So you can select your desired application drive like C drive or any another drive. Change where your apps, documents, music, pictures, videos and maps are saved. So select your desired drive, then click on apply, then restart your system, close it and restart. So thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel.